Oh man. No, I didn't pick
What's guys, this is another video Ryan here, and today I'm controlling with my iPad again. I don't know how level it's gonna be.
Oh, he's got
but
we should have gone with him, he's got again.
My lighting is horrible.
There's a ghast. There's a ghast.
I'm getting new stuff, just so you know. Aiden, can you turn it down?
You should just run.
Turn it down!
You should just run. Get out of here. A pig better like. Oh, jeez. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So, anyway, can you just turn the sound way down? So anyway,
we just need to get out of it quick.
yeah, I'm buying new stuff. I'm buying a new gaming mouse, a new gaming keyboard, gaming chair. I'm saving up for a camera, and
I guess like Jesse hasn't been to the Nether yet either, which is crazy.
The lie. And maybe a tripod and camera when I get enough money. Yeah, in the last video, we talked about my new Fidget spinners. You guys, I don't know. I like this one, as I said. Edith said. This one's my favorite. I like how this one spins. You guys can see. Oops. Aiden, stop. I'm trying, I'm showing you how long you can spin. Yeah, it's way quieter than Aiden. Oh, that's loud. This one's loud. And I want to do a challenge. So, let's do it. Gotta move my lighting board. So we're gonna need a challenge. Oh, and I had a warhead on the other one. So let's put you guys here. And then just hold up. Let me spin these. Oh, now it's pointing back. Wait, what the? So they're spinning. They spin a very long time. Hold up, you guys. Let me move this. Let me see if I need to make this as like a tripod. No, I can't. There. Hey, so they're spinning. What? Hold up. Let's restart that. What's the matter with my physics one? Is this my one? So anyway, yeah. This is Aiden's physics spinner. It's like, it's the exact same as mine. It probably spins a little bit better. Just saying. Dang it. Yeah, I'm in a bad position, I know. It's been a long time, you guys. Let's move my chair. Yeah, as I said, I'm getting a new gaming chair. So, anyway, here's $50. New gaming chair. See? This one's metal. Oh. That keeps happening.
Just hold it up. Oh, this one's a close one.
That is, it'll always close. Alright, let's do this try. I'm sorry about that, you guys. I didn't mean to drop it. It's choppy. Don't touch this. Don't touch it. Oh. Is Joe gonna win? Usually Joe has lost a lot. Joe has lost a lot. Next video, we're gonna be doing try fighting, probably.
So close.
Oh, guys, this is like the. Alright, guys, I can't wait until I'm getting my gaming stuff. Alright, who's gonna win? Oh my gosh, it should be Jordan. Jordan wins! Jordan for the win! Na. Yeah, mine's more dope than Aiden's. This one. Alright, let's move you back. So, yeah, Aiden's, I have a more Jordan one. They're the exact same, but mine's just a little bit more Jordan.
And mine spins better.
Aiden spins better. I so broke mine. This little tiny one. I still kind of like this one. You got your 2-spinner, Aiden?
A 2-spinner? No, I don't know what that is.
Well, you want to do a battle? Where's your big one? So you can spin longest?
See which golden one?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Oh, guys, we're going to do another round. We are.
Okay, mine's right over here.
Of course, I can pause this. Guys, tell me down in the comments. Tell us down in the comments how you pause an iPad on a video. I don't know how.
Okay, so we're going to spin at the exact same time.
This better not fall in.
Oh, I see the face of the stego. Okay.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Wait,
count five.
Wait, dude, you gotta do it farther. Yeah, you're not in camp.
Count five.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, mine's moving.
I did not spin.
Hold
that
up,
good.
mine's moving. Alright, go.
I did not spin that
Mine's
good.
is horrible.
I did not spin that good.
No, I'm gonna use it, man. No, dude, let's get a cam. Lighting, please stop sucking. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who is gonna win? La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh my gosh.
Hey! That's cheating.
Dude, I'm not cheating. I'm not doing that. Wing balloons. Remember that video? Remember? Oh, I didn't post that, dang it.
You did. You just ruined it. You just ruined it. You just ruined the entire video.
I can't post it. It's too long.
Oh my god. Let's see. Who wins? Oh my gosh, this is gonna be close.
But if they both stop at the same time, that would be weird.
No, it looks like mine's spinning faster.
Guys, warheads. Ugh. Dude. Yeah. Don't think I don't have warheads. I
Give me
have
one.
warheads.
Give me one.
Alright, so I'm gonna bet. I'll eat.
It's the fidget
If
spinner.
Aiden wins, I will eat it. I
Eat
bet.
4.
What is yours spin better? I'm just. Wait, is mine loose? That might be it. It might be. Yours, dude. Yeah, yours looks broken.
If I win, I have to eat 1. If you win, if you win, you have to eat 1. But if you lose, or if I lose, which I'm probably not, but if you lose, you gotta eat 4. In this video, right after this stops.
Dude, it's only on 10 minutes. We can only record it up to like 14. Or maybe even 12.
Let's just say I won. It's
No.
basically stopping.
Don't stop now. Come on, I love you.
It's gonna stop without spinning over again.
Oh my gosh!
I still win. I have split second.
I don't want to eat
You
one.
gotta eat 4.
Alright, guys, let's switch this.
And I gotta eat 1.
Let's switch this setup.
You gotta eat 4 and I gotta eat 1.
Guys, we gotta hurry up.
And since I showed Pokemon cards with a spoiler alert right near his face whenever he was recording.
Yeah, I'm doing Pokemon on the That's Fed. So, let's eat some words. Why?
Why did you have to? I'm still spinning.
I hate this. I hate you. I hate. Wait, no. Wow. Oh, yours is broken. It is.
It is?
Yeah. It is. Let me see.
You better eat it quick. We only have like 2.5 minutes.
Oh no, I had 20 seconds. I'm gonna spit these out, basically.
Okay, you just have to eat 1, not 4.
Thank you. This one. Yeah, you eat my grill. Yeah, sure, that's fine. We're fine. This is gonna hurt my tongue.
Oh, the top of my mouth.
It's not bad.
Okay. I think we should end the vid. With the warheads in our mouth.
So that's gonna be it for today, you guys. On this video. So don't forget to just smash the like button. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And comment down. Stop.
I was doing that for the end.
Oh. Down below.